Hi there, and welcome back. Meta Ads is one part of the big three of digital advertising alongside Google and Amazon, and currently dominates the social media landscape. It is the operating system for independent brands since Meta remains the king of demand generation, making people want things they didn't know existed. If you're running Meta ads, particularly Facebook, having accurate conversion tracking is essential to understand what's actually driving results. Without it, you're relying on clicks and assumptions instead of real data. By connecting Facebook ads tracking, the Pixel and the Conversion API to Checkify Plus, your checkout will share the key events like initiate checkout and purchase with the platform. It helps you measure performance and optimize your campaigns more effectively. Our customers reach the event match quality score of 8 or higher, leading to huge boosts in ad efficiency and operations, especially for scaling brands. So let me show you how to set everything up. First, go to your Checkify Plus admin panel and open the integration section inside the Marketing Platforms tab. Let's start with the Facebook Pixel. But first, make sure that your custom domain for the checkout and thank you pages is verified. It is essential. We have a separate video for that, so make sure to find it and to check it out on our channel in case of doubts. Click Connect, and in the new tab that opens, enter your main Facebook Pixel ID. Optionally, you may add several backup Pixel IDs. Then click Connect at the bottom of the page. Now let's switch to Facebook's server-to-server tracking option, also known as Conversions API. Here, you may enter your access token and Facebook Pixel ID again and click Connect. Once saved, the integration becomes active instantly, and your checkout will begin sending conversion events automatically. This setup enables both browser and server-side tracking, which significantly improves data accuracy and ensures that Facebook receives consistent signals about user actions on your checkout. After completing the setup, it's recommended to verify that everything is working correctly. To do this, open the Buy Links section in your Checkify admin, create or select any existing link, copy the checkout URL, and open it in your browser. We recommend installing MetaPixel Helper, which will help you verify that the integration is working properly. If events are showing up, it means the integration is working correctly and your checkout is successfully sending data back to Facebook. This allows you to better attribute conversions, optimize your campaigns, and scale based on real performance data instead of assumptions. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Facebook tracking with Checkify, and let us know if you need guides for other integrations. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.